Honorable Mr. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Chief Justice, Delhi High Court, my esteemed sister and brother judges on the bench, learned Additional Solicitor General and Standing Counsel, Government of NCT of Delhi, Mr. Mathur, President, Delhi High Court Bar Association, and other office bearers of the bar, learned senior advocates and members of the bar, family members and guests of Honorable the Chief Justice, learned Registrar General of this court, learned judicial officers, officers and staff of the registry, members of press and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen, I'll start with the words of Douglas MacArthur. A true leader does not set out to be a leader, but becomes one by the equality of his actions and the integrity of his intent. This is how our Chief Justice is. Our Chief Justice's illustrious career began with academic excellence, earning top honors in both science and law. His legal acumen was evident from the start, excelling in various domains such as constitutional, service, civil, and criminal matters. His rise to become senior advocate in Madhya Pradesh at a young age of 42 stands as a testament to his legal expertise. Our chief has contributed significantly to the academic world, associating with various national law universities and making substantial contributions to legal research. His journey through various high courts, which started from his elevation to Madhya Pradesh High Court on 18 January 2008, thereafter to Karnataka from 4th January 2021, as Chief Justice of Telangana High Court from 11th October 2021, and finally to Delhi on 28th June 2022, reflects his unwavering commitment to the pursuit of justice. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today to bid farewell to a legal luminary and a distinguished leader amongst us, it is with a mixture of nostalgia and fondness that we honor our esteemed Chief Justice as he ascends to the bench of Honorable the Supreme Court. Chief's tenure at the helm of the Delhi High Court ensured that the principles of fairness and equality prevailed. Under Chief's sagacious guidance, the Delhi High Court witnessed legal decisions that were not just pages in law books but turning points in jurisprudence. The case of National Federation of the Blind versus Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and others addressed the issue of statutory reservations for children with disabilities. Under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Justice, the court emphasized the concept of indirect discrimination and directed corrective measures against discriminatory practices. Analyzing the concept of indirect discrimination, the Chief observed, and I quote, attitudinal and environmental barriers that prevent the persons with disabilities from exercising their fundamental freedoms and human rights to the fullest are a form of indirect discrimination, unquote. In the matter of Harsh Ajay Singh versus Union of India and others, which challenged the constitutionality of the Agnipath scheme in the armed forces, the bench headed by the Chief upheld the scheme, citing national interest and the need to strengthen the armed forces, rejecting claims based on promissory estoppel and legitimate expectation. In another significant case, St. Stephen's College versus University of Delhi and another, Chief dwelled into the extent of rights of minority educational institutions under Article 30 of the Constitution. The judgment concluded that while a minority institution has the right to administer, this right doesn't extend to non-minority institutions, students, affirming the state's role in regulating admission policies for excellence and non-discrimination. These decisions exemplify the Chief's leadership, legal acumen, and dedication to ensuring justice and equity. His thoughtful analysis and emphasis on fair principles have significantly shaped legal precedents, addressing crucial issues ranging from disability rights to the jurisdiction of minority educational institutions. Chief's decisions always reflected the experience of life and the inherent quest for justice. Chief always breathed the idea that the greatest strength of judiciary is the faith of our people in the justice delivery system, and all his actions made the system more navigable, ensuring that fundamental rights of every individual were safeguarded. Chief's elevation to the Supreme Court is a testament to his acumen and unwavering commitment to justice. We bid adieu to Chief with immense gratitude for his invaluable contribution to the Delhi High Court. Chief, we extend our heartiest congratulations on this momentous elevation. May your journey in the highest echelons of the judiciary be as illustrious as your tenure here, and I am sure your guiding spirit would continue to illuminate the paths of justice. We wish you continued success and fulfillment as you venture into this new and prestigious chapter in your judicial career. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Honorable the Chief Justice for another few hours, companion judges of this Honorable Court, Madam Sharma, Siddharth Sharma, and Shantanu Sharma in absentia, all assembled distinguished lawyers, senior advocates, members who joined in virtually, the entire faculty here. To my left, Mr. Manan, Chairman Bar Council, Mr. Tripathi, Standing Counsel, Civil G and CTD, our worthy Pradhan, Shri Mohit Mathur, our vote of thanks specialist, Mr. Jatan Singh, who in the morning refused my request to speak more. I deliberately cut out my speech to hear him and more of his Shero Shairi, which was indeed excellent today. Shri Sandeep Sharma, the energetic, vibrant secretary, and all those assembled here. Chief, it's a pleasure, it's a privilege to, in more ways than one, it's more of a congratulatory reference rather than a farewell reference. Because for the first time, perhaps, I am in a speech by virtue of which I congratulate you on your ascension. Up till now, hitherto before, all speeches have been one, which led to the outer gate and then to home. But this momentous occasion is one which leads up. Though you have traveled a very picturesque path from Madhya Pradesh to Hyderabad, am I right, sir? To Karnataka, then Telangana, and Justice Siddharth Medul said in one of his speeches that, Chief, you've moved across a very picturesque terrain. Picturesque it is even now because after G20, the linings on the roadside are indeed beautiful. Though a lot of stone block is there, but nonetheless Delhi is very beautiful. So I'll be very brief, I know, sir. Though we can delay if we seek to go on, but I'll be very brief. Satish, as they say, has two connotations in Sanskrit. Sat plus ish, sandhi. So what is satya? And the ish of the satya. So Satish is also sati, iti, ishaha, iti satisha. So Sati's ish, Lord Parvati's ish is Mahadev. And Mahadev is truth. And therefore it is said, Satyam Param Dhimahi and Sachidananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyadi Hetave. Again Satya. So the first attribute of divinity is Satya, is truth. So your parents named you, and one could see your absolute commitment to truth and to justice. And that is why, sir, in this court, and I have been a regular because of the flurry of PILs which keep on coming, you saw to it by your demeanor that the justice reached out to the last man standing. It reached out to the specially enabled. So if any advocate, a junior, he was encouraged in more ways than one. Seniors were given their due respect. The specially enabled were asked to be led into the forefront. Some of them were even accommodated in your team of legal researchers. So this is your empathy, this is your sensitivity towards those people. And it's your demeanor, sir, as they said pre-lunch. It's your demeanor of grace, of a smiling nature, of giving respect to everybody that has endeared you to the entire bar, and that was very visible in the morning session. As we move on, you probably epitomize, sir. Yog yukto vishuddhatma vichitatma jitendriya sarvabhutatma bhutatma kurvan napi nalipyate, which means the karma yogis who are purified by intellect and who control the mind and senses, and one can see your control, sir. Love and respect all, which again, sir, you have displayed in ample measure. Though performing all types of karmas, they are never entangled. That is to say, kurvan napi na lipyate. Lipyate means entanglement. So they are never entangled, those who continue. And probably that has been your hallmark here as Chief Justice. We bid you a fond ascension farewell of sorts. We pray for your good health. We wish you success as a judge of the Honorable Supreme Court. We are all very thankful on behalf of the Government of India, on behalf of all my CGSCs, the Central Government Standing Councils, all of the councils that are there, on behalf of my colleagues here who are, we wish you a very happy, prosperous, healthy, and meaningful tenure as Judge, Supreme Court of India. Jai.
The Honorable Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma ji, companion judges, Additional Solicitor General Shri Chetan Sharma ji, Santosh Tripathi, Standing Counsel Civil, Mr. Mathur, President Delhi High Court, Shri Jatan Singh, Vice President, Shri Sandeep Sharma ji, Secretary Delhi High Court, Ravi Kant Chadda, Senior Advocate, Dhyan Krishnan, Senior Advocate, Member Executive, Member Bar Council, family members, wife of Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Dr. Neeta Sharma ji, his sons Siddharth Sharma and Shantanu Sharma, ladies and gentlemen present. Today we gather here to celebrate a momentous occasion in the life and career of a remarkable legal luminary, Justice Satish Chandra Sharma. It is a great privilege for me to stand before you to honor and applaud his elevation from the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court to the Supreme Court of India. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma ji, journey in the legal profession has been nothing short of extraordinary. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma's family background is one of the distinction. His father, Dr. B.N. Sharma, was not only a renowned agriculturist, but also a respected professor at Jabalpur University. Dr. Sharma went on to serve as the Vice Chancellor of Barkatullah University in Bhopal. Justice Sharma's mother, Shrimati Shanti Sharma, was a principal at Maharani Lakshmibai Higher Secondary School and also held the position of District Education Officer in Jabalpur before her retirement. It is clear that a dedication to education and public service runs deep Justice Sharma's family. He was never short from perfection, having 3 university gold medals and being top of his class in LLB degree. He then enrolled as an advocate on 1st September 1984 and embarked on a successful legal career. He practiced in constitutional, service, civil and criminal matters before the Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur. His legal acumen and dedication were quickly recognized, leading to his appointment as Additional Central Government Counsel on 28th of May 1993. Further demonstrating his success, he was appointed as a Senior Panel Counsel by the Central Government of India on 28th of June 2004. In 2003, he achieved the remarkable distinction of being designated as a senior advocate by the Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh at the age of 42, becoming one of the youngest senior advocate of Madhya Pradesh High Court. Justice Sharma's journey in the legal profession continued to ascend as he was elevated as an additional judge of Madhya Pradesh High Court on 18th January 2008. His remarkable contribution led to his appointment as permanent judge on 15th January 2010. Justice Sharma's commitment to the legal field extends beyond the courtroom. He is a devoted reader and a big contributor to legal scholarship, having published numerous research articles and papers. He has also been associated with various universities and serves on the advisory board of National Law Institute University, Bhopal, and India International University of Legal Education and Research, Goa. In recognition of his outstanding legal career and contributions, Justice Sharma was transferred to Karnataka High Court as a judge on 31st December 2020, and he took his oath on 4th of January 2021. Later, he was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court on 31st August 2021. It is on 11th October 2021, Justice Sharma was elevated as the Chief Justice of the Telangana High Court, further exemplifying his commitment to the judiciary. And further, in a remarkable turn of events, he was transferred to our own High Court as Chief Justice and took the oath of office on 28th of June 2022. Throughout his career, Justice Sharma has been a steadfast champion of justice, advocating for the rights of the marginalized and unprivileged. He has been a defender of the Constitution of India and its ideal, always ensuring that the law remains a powerful instrument for the positive change in our society. Justice Sharma's tenure as the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court has been marked as his tireless efforts to ensure access to justice for all through cases such as Karan S. Thukral versus the District and Session Judge. We can see the forwarding thinking approach of Justice Satish Chandra Sharma by introducing of e-filing, which embraced technology as a step forward, modernization, numerous other cases which uphold the rights of financially weaker sections and right to privacy. Even yesterday, a remarkable judgment was passed by upholding the rights of common citizens by staying the demolition of archaeological park by DDA. His judgments have not only set legal precedents, but have also served as a beacon of hope for those seeking justice. In an era where the concept of justice is constantly evolving and facing new challenges, Justice Satish Chandra Sharma's presence in the Supreme Court is a source of great hope. We celebrate this moment. Let us not forget that with great power comes great responsibility. Justice Sharma's journey to the apex court carries with it with weight of our collective expectations for a more just, equitable, and inclusive society. We have no doubt that he will continue to be a tireless crusader for justice. In conclusion, Justice Satish Chandra Sharma's elevation to the Supreme Court of India is not only a testament to his brilliance as a jurist, but also a symbol of the enduring strength and resilience of our judicial system. Let us congratulate him and pledge our unwavering support as he takes on the challenges and responsibilities that come with this new role. We wish him every success in this new chapter of his illustrious career. In the last, I salute your simplicity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma ji, esteemed judges present here, Shri Chetan Sharma, Senior Advocate, Additional Solicitor General of India, Shri K.K. Manan, Senior Advocate, Chairman, Delhi Bar Council, Mr. Sanjay Law, Standing Counsel, Criminal, Government of NCT of Delhi, Mr. Mohit Mathur, Senior Advocate, President, Delhi High Court Bar Association, Mr. Jatan Singh, Vice President, DSCBA, Sri Sandeep Sharma, Secretary, Delhi High Court Bar Association, senior advocates, my colleagues, and distinguished guests, family of Justice Sharma. It is indeed an honor to stand this august court on this special occasion, representing all the additional standing council and panel councils of Government of City of Delhi, and speaking on my own behalf. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Honorable Justice Satish Chand Sharma on his well-deserved elevation to the Supreme Court. It is a moment that calls for reflection on the exceptional qualities that have defined my Lord's distinguished and illustrious career. After indicated by my Lord Justice Manmohan, Mr. Chetan Sharma, Mr. K.K. Manan, I just confined myself to say, on my personal experience, Justice Sharma has been more than a jurist. He has been a source of warmth and camaraderie. His jovial nature and infectious smile have brought a unique and uplifting energy to the courtroom. In the often serious and intense environment of legal proceedings, my Lord has reminded us all the power of his smile and the importance of approaching challenges with good humor. Beyond his legal brilliance, it is his ability to lighten the atmosphere, to inject levity to the discussion without compromising professionalism, that has made him a beloved figure amongst the bar and the litigant alike. His jovial nature has been a gift to us all. As Justice Sharma embarks on his new chapter in the Supreme Court, may it be filled with the same joy and laughter he has generously shared with us over the years. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to Justice Satish Chand Sharma on his elevation as a Supreme Court judge. His elevation is a testament of his exemplary legal acumen and unwavering commitment to the justice. We wish him continued success in this new and esteemed role. May he continue to inspire and guide the pursuit of justice in the corridor of Honorable Supreme Court. We thank him for setting the bar high and being a beacon of inspiration. Thank you.
Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court of Delhi, Shri Satish Chandra Sharma ji, Judge Designate Supreme Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Manmohan, Acting Chief Justice Designate, Honorable Judges of the Delhi High Court, Learned Additional Solicitor General for India, Shri Chetan Sharma ji, Mr. Jatan Singh and Sandeep Sharma, Vice President and Honorary Secretary, Delhi High Court Bar Association, other distinguished office bearers of the Executive Committee and former office bearers of this High Court Bar Association, Shri K.K. Manan ji, Chairman, Bar Council of Delhi, and the other distinguished members of the Bar Council, Mr. Sanjay Lau and Mr. Santosh Tripathi, Standing Councils to the Government of NCT of Delhi, other office bearers of the District Court Bar Associations, senior counsels of this court, and the other cherished members of the bar, friends and family of the Honorable Chief Justice, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. A highly anticipated moment has finally arrived for us here at the Honorable High Court of Delhi. Today, with the elevation of our Honorable Chief Justice, Shri Satish Chandra Sharma ji, to the Honorable Supreme Court of India. His glorious journey on the bench that began in 2008 enters a new era. It is also a historical day for this court, as another Chief Justice of our High Court family is set to adorn the apex court after a gap of nearly 9.5 years, which is an honor for this institution as well. Though his stint with us was a tad short for our liking, our happiness knows no bounds on this auspicious day, a bittersweet deal, I must say. Having served as the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court, Justice Sharma took charge of the helms here at our High Court in June last year. And in last 16 months, to say the least, he endeared himself to the bar and won over our hearts with his inimitable modesty, most grounded nature, and of course, his disarming smile. The younger members of the bar have expressed to me their utmost elation and glee at your elevation, sir. You were a beacon of encouragement for them and allowed many of them to begin their careers before a kind and patient DB1. The speakers before me have given us a glimpse into your life and time, sir. So I'll not repeat what has been said, as I have already promised to you before, I'll keep this address as brief as possible, and as I was also instructed to do so. Justice Sharma's long and illustrious legal journey began at Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University at Sagar, MP, where he pursued his LLB. And as already informed, he was enrolled at the bar in 1984, and with his talent and compassion and integrity, he led to be designated as one of the youngest senior counsels of Honorable MP High Court at the age of 42, followed by another young counsel who today also is a judge of this court. He practiced across spectrum dealing with various fields of law. While his practice was lucrative, he was always a benevolent humanitarian, a defender of the poor and the voiceless. After a long, illustrious journey at the bar and the bench, he came to Delhi as the head of this institution in June 22, just as we were coming out of the clutches of COVID-19 pandemic. As we were taking off our masks, we were indeed greeted by a breath of fresh air, if I may so describe. It deserves to be mentioned that your efforts during the pandemic helped save many lives. This is but one example of your humanitarianism. And whether it be as a counsel or as a judge over the years, sir, you have been at the beck and call of those without the means and the knowledge to help themselves. I am aware that you seek no credit or recognition for such deeds, but this bar must salute your ideals and karma. Immediately upon his arrival here at the High Court of Delhi, he accepted this bar as his family and was alive to our problems and dynamics and ensured that we were heard and our issues were addressed at once. As president of the Delhi High Court Bar Association, it has been an absolute privilege to have had the opportunity to address various issues of the bar with you, sir, and your constant support throughout this time has been encouraging and beneficial for the growth of this institution. I will surely miss coming to you with a problem and be met with the standard smiling response, "Bataiye Mohit ji, kya karna hai?" His attitude towards our needs and willingness to understand our problems showed me he was the perfect bridge between the bench and the bar. Interactions with my colleagues, whether they be senior or junior, about their experiences before your bench, sir, has been unanimously positive throughout the time you were here. Your ability to dispense justice without fear or favor resonated with the bar and will hallmark your career. As we now get ready to ferry you across the Tilak Marg, my lords, allow me to express my gratitude for all your support to the fraternity during your time here. With that, I, on my own behalf, and on behalf of the members of the Delhi High Court Bar Association, wish you the warmest of farewells as you step into the next phase of your journey, sir. We thank your family, Srimati Meeta Sharma ji, Siddharth, Shantanu in absentia, for joining us today and congratulate them on this momentous occasion. It has been an honor to have you here, sir, with us and to be able to learn from you. We will hold you to your promise of visiting us as an honorary member of the Delhi High Court Bar Association to our canteen as well, sir, without telling ma'am. And we look forward to watching you, your much deserved ascension. Wishing you luck and good health in your next assignment, my lords. Godspeed until we see each other again. Happy Diwali and Jai Hind.
My esteemed sister and brother judges at the High Court, Shri Chetan Sharma, Additional Solicitor General of India, Shri K.K. Manan, Chairman, Bar Council of India, Bar Council of Delhi, Shri Mohit Mathur, President, Delhi High Court Bar Association, Shri Jatan Singh, Vice President, Delhi High Court Bar Association, Shri Sandeep Sharma, Secretary, Delhi High Court Bar Association, Shri Sanjay Lau, Standing Counsel Criminal, Government of NCT of Delhi, Shri Santosh Tripathi, Standing Counsel Civil, Government of NCT of Delhi, Standing Counsels of the Central Government and State Government, Executive Members of the Delhi High Court Bar Association, Office Bearers of the Bar Council of Delhi and other district bar associations, Senior Advocates, Principal District and Sessions Judge and other judicial officers of Delhi, Members of the Bar, Members of Print and Electronic Media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. I'm indebted to all of you for the kind words that you have spoken for me. I'm truly heartened to see that so many of you have gathered to share this special moment with us. As I speak on this occasion, I cannot help but reminiscence my journey which began from Bhopal. I was a first-generation lawyer and I started my practice before the Jabalpur bench of Madhya Pradesh High Court in 2008. I was called on the bench by the Madhya Pradesh High Court from Jabalpur. I was called to the Karnataka High Court and later on to Telangana High Court. Last year, I got the opportunity to serve on the bench of this court. As I look back today, I have no hesitation in saying that I owe all the milestones in my journey to the kindness and support of those who found me on my way and showed me the right path from time to time. In legal profession and in life, journey becomes beautiful when you travel with others and make an effort to grow as well as to help people around you to grow. During my 15 years on the bench, I have been fortunate to have dealt with cases concerning people from all walks of life and from all parts of the society. As a judge, I have always tried to spread the wings of my jurisdiction in a manner that the litigant goes back with a relief. Justice to litigant has always been a consistent goal. Whether or not I have succeeded in doing the same, I cannot tell, and in fact, I should not. After all, we all know that I cannot be a judge in my own cause. But I can confidently share that judgeship has given me a great sense of satisfaction. This ability to alleviate the sufferings of a litigant and to be able to uphold their rights is the hallmark of judgeship. When I joined the bench 15 years ago, I was full of gratitude for the opportunity to serve the people of Madhya Pradesh. Today, as I proceed to the apex court of the land, I am filled with the same sense of gratitude for the opportunity to serve the people of this great nation. I shall be failing in my duty if I do not mention about the support of my family members, especially my parents, my wife Meeta, my children Siddharth and Shantanu. The innumerable sacrifices made by them on a day-to-day basis have enabled me to work to the best of my ability. I may have failed to talk about them as often, but they have never gone unnoticed in my heart. I am indebted for the unwavering and selfless support of my wife. She has truly been an enabler in my journey. As I bid farewell to this court, let me say that this is not a goodbye moment for me. Rather, it's a thank you moment for me. I'm thankful to my colleagues on the bench for gracefully accepting me and for providing me a cordial working environment. I have been benefited immensely from my sister and brother judges, both on the judicial side and the administrative side. As a Chief Justice, one is required to indulge in a lot of administrative work, and at this level, work brings with itself certain challenges. In those moments, I could not have sailed through without the support of my colleagues who are present today. I am equally thankful to the members of the bar for always assisting me and for always holding me in high esteem. Bar and bench must always share a bond of mutual respect, as it is important for the ultimate goal of delivery of justice. As I see it, the pursuit of justice is our common goal. Law officers of the central government, law officers of the NCT of Delhi, senior advocates, and other members of the bar, I thank you all for joining me in the pursuit of justice. I may also thank the officers and officials of the registry, especially the Registrar General, who collectively acted as my support system and helped me in the administration on a daily basis. I thank the members of my secretariat, my residential staff, my usher, my driver, my PSO, and my law clerks for helping me in performing to the best of my ability. And ending in this court is going to bring fresh start in another. Before I conclude, I may borrow these beautiful words from a song called We Will Meet Again by Vera Lynn. We will meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we will meet again on some sunny day. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Excellent. With the permission of Honorable Mr. Justice Manmohan, the Acting Chief Justice designate the favorable reference proceeding stands closed.
May